Hello everybody, welcome to Untitled YouTube channel. In this special DIY video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple hair growth gel. As you all know, a very important ingredient for hair growth is aloe vera. So today I'm going to show you how to use aloe vera, glycerin and demineralized water to grow your hair. So basically what you do is this: you're going to weigh 5 grams of aloe vera gel. Okay, I like to use ready-made aloe vera gel because it has less impurity. So if you want to pop to your next probably grocery store and get yourself aloe vera gel, but if you don't have the aloe vera gel store-bought, if you have the aloe vera plant, you can extract the gel from the aloe vera plant. But I don't use that a lot because of impurities. But if you are worried about impurities, buy aloe vera gel from the store. Any brand of aloe vera gel will do. So we're going to measure 5 grams of aloe vera gel. Then we're going to measure 5 grams of vegetable glycerin. I like the USP version because it works better. It's smoother, okay? The particles are tinier and it's very smooth. I'll be able to penetrate your hair strand better. So you're going to measure 5 grams of that also. Then we're going to measure the final ingredient here is I'm sorry about the background noise. These are the kids. Sorry about that. They just always want to get involved, which is a good thing. So then we're going to measure the final ingredient is 90 grams, okay, of distilled water or demineralized water. So if you have any of them, distilled water is always good, very pure, right? So we're going to measure there 90 grams of distilled water. Perfect. So what you do then is just mix it well. What you need is, if you have a hand mixer, you go ahead and use that to mix it. This is very good in that it's going to make your hair vibrant and it's going to promote hair growth. If you want hair growth, this is a spray to use. So basically what you do is you're going to throw this in a spray bottle, okay, and you just spray it on your hair. But a very important step that you have to take is to make sure you blend it very well. Okay, make sure you get a bigger bowl to make sure you blend. The blending is part of it. Of course, you want to make sure every ingredient of yours is well blended, right? So blend it. I'm using a milk frother here. Okay, this I got from Amazon, so you can look in the description box below for what you get. So you're going to blend it very well. And this goodness that you see here is going to promote hair growth very well. Very effective aloe vera gel solution for hair growth. So both men and women can use this. So don't say, I'm a man, I can't use this. Not at all. If you want your hair to be radiant and shine, and you want it to be more healthy, right? Even if you don't want to grow it like that of a man, of a woman, but you want it to be more healthy, you should spray this on your hair. So now that we have that, we're going to put it in a spray bottle. I'm going to show you different DIY things that you can do at home, okay? As you all know, I like to mentor all of us to success. Also, things that I will continue doing on this channel going forward are simple DIY videos here that will be of help to you. So put it in a spray bottle. Okay, shake it well. You're going to ask me, where is the preservative? No, this is a DIY. It needs no preservative. Okay, this is a DIY. It needs no preservative. So basically, you're going to want to spray it on your hair. If you're a man, it's going to do amazing thing. So if you're a man, this is going to do amazing thing to your hair. If you're a woman, this is going to do amazing thing also. It's the same. So just spray on your hair. This mannequin that I have here is real human hair mannequin. Just spray it liberally on your hair. You can use this 3 times a day or anytime you notice your hair is dry. That's the beauty of it. Okay, just spray it and style your hair as usual. That's it for this video. Spray it on your hair, style your hair as usual, and it's just going to make your hair radiant and more beautiful. Okay, that's about it for this video. If you have any question about this special DIY treatment, drop in the comment box. Remember, this is a channel where I do DIY. I give general, lifestyle advice. And click that subscribe button. Okay, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching, everyone.